My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube. I love doing these in my home. I have worked thousands of IRS cases. I am a national expert. I was a revenue officer. I was the IRS. I don't practice at it. Everyone has a practice. I know my stuff, so I don't learn as I go. I know, so the things I'm telling you, I know. I've been on the national news many times. Go to my website at 777irs.com. I think I got about 5 or 6 of the national interviews there. I want to talk to you today about what happens if you don't pay your payroll taxes. So as a revenue officer, I was commissioned back in the day to work these cases. Little has changed about the what happens. It's really the same back then as it is now. So if you don't pay your payroll taxes, what happens? God bless you. If you don't pay your payroll taxes, what in fact happens? If you're a corporation, IRS will, first of all, let me go back. As a revenue officer, I would come in and investigate your company. I would ask for a financial statement. I would check your bank records. I'd want to see where your money's going. I'd want to see what your receivables are. I would come in and do a case evaluation. How do I do that? I go in and ask for financial statements. Usually I would view the business, see what's going on, kind of get a feel. You know, when you do this a long time, it doesn't take long to make one of these evaluations. I've worked 10,000 cases, so today I'd walk in and probably they may not have the skill set I do, but most people working a larger corporate case is going to know what to do. They'll look at your corporate tax return and they'll kind of see what's going on in the business, and they're going to want to know if you've been behind on payroll tax. That's big. You can't be behind in payroll taxes. You can't. IRS wants to make sure you're current. They want to make sure you're up to date. They want to make sure that you can sustain paying your current taxes and your back taxes. They want to make sure you can do that. If not, why be in business? So they want to see the sustainability of your business. From there, they want to know what your plan to repay IRS. You want to get on a payment plan. Most people that are listening to this may never be able to recover. You know you're in a hole. You don't know what to do. If you are, you should call me. I'm really a master of these cases. But at the end of the day, IRS is going to look at this, and if you owe trust fund tax, 941 taxes, in that is a trust fund tax, money you held in trust and never turned over. IRS is going to go after you personally on that. So they're going to try to set up what's called the trust fund penalty, and then they're going to impose this tax on you personally, and then they're going to want a personal financial statement, and they're going to want to collect this money on you personally. I just want to let you know that. So at the end of the day, I just want you to know that they're going to evaluate your business. They're going to look at you personally. They're going to try to find how to collect the money any way that they possibly can, and then they will try to move forward in collections. So the number one thing you can do is follow all your returns. Try to stay current as much as you can. That's really big. And if you need me, just give me a call. Thank you so much. Give me a subscription. I know what I'm talking about.